Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to vectorize text in photopea. Let's begin. Select your style, YouTube cover, then create a new layer and type text. Type any text. Resize. Hold Control Align. Okay. Then right click, select the text layer. Right click, convert to shape. Then go to File, Save as SVG. Click Save. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.